Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video. In this video, I want to show you how to paint pine trees, bamboo, a green tree, and a spring blossom tree. Before anything, we draw an overall sketch of the tree. As you can see, a crowd of leaves in a different size, large, medium, and small. They have to be different in size. Now I start to create the color. I mix the olive green with indigo to create a cool color. I add some more indigo. I want to test the color on the paper. It needs to be a bit cooler. Yes, that's it. Okay, I add some water. Then from the width of my brush, I place it on the paper, and with some pressure I apply the paint. I wash my brush. I have to make some darker green color for the underside of the leaves. I mean the shadowy part. We have to do this before it dries. Now I wash my brush, and with water I fade the edges. And I do the rest the same way. Now I take my round brush to make some brown color. We add the green from before into the new color. And I make dark brown. Then I start painting the trunk and the branches of the tree. From one side I apply heavy color. Then I wash my brush and fade it from the other side. until it's wet, we can add darker color to some parts. Then from the middle of the leaves, I add some branches. This depends on your own taste. If you want more details, you can add more branches by using a liner for the smaller and more fragile branches. Some of them can stick out the tree, but don't overdo the branches. Now I place the tree on the ground. I use a bigger brush to do this. I use the previous color to apply some small branches and leaves. And for the fade, I use water.